Okay, SC10. Let's first check our configuration that what we have done so far. ZAP 9. Okay, in ZAP 9, what have we done so far? Has quite a lot of things. Okay. Posting periods, let me just write down. Instead of writing down, if I can do is Control Y. Control Y. Okay. Okay. What we have done so far? Open and close posting periods. SPRO. There are posting periods, financial accounting, global settings, ledger, posting periods. Okay, and we maintain posting periods and assign to the company code. Ledger settings. Ledgers define settings for ledger and currency types. Okay. 0L company code settings. Graph 9. And we have global currency and local type currency. Double click. Over here, posting period variant, fiscal variant is all assigned. Group currency, this is assigned. Okay. Define ledger for CO version. Plus, we have also done some settings for currency version. Okay. ZAP 9. In ZAP 9, what we have done is group currency 30. We can also add more if you want, but it stays till here. Okay. Ledger for CO version. Integration. Define ledger for CO version. Okay, we define the 0 version, which is for planning and actual activity, actual values. Okay, ZAP 9. ZAP 9, ZAP group, 0 version. We can also add more versions 1, 2, 900, 909, 999 for best case scenario, worst case scenario for planning, for actual. And 0 is basically it captures all plan and actual values, actual transactions. Okay. Isam, it is getting recorded, it will be provided to you. Okay. Next, what we have done, default values for postings and controlling. Okay. Default values in controlling. ZAP 9. Okay. 0 is the ledger group default, where all the entries will fall. Okay. And document types mapping 0, 1. This is standard maintained by SAP. All transactions of SCO for CO is basically available in this. These are all valid, relevant transactions in CO. Okay. So document types will be attached. That will be CO. Now, document types we already seen when we pass document types. When we pass transactions, A document type is actually recorded. That actually defines what kind of document has been posted. Okay. Okay. Next is edit chart of accounts list. Chart of accounts list, and that will be in uh, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, edit chart of accounts list. We define the chart of accounts, assign it to company code, and we then give account groups. What are account groups? Segments of GL groups. SAP line. Okay. Now this is what we have actually maintained. Secondary cost, material cost, liability, labs. Okay. Then we have assigned company code to fiscal year variant. Okay. Fiscal year variant, and it comes from global settings. Fiscal year variant, ledgers, fiscal year, maintain fiscal year, assign company code to fiscal year variant. Okay. Next is retained earnings account. GL accounts, preparation, retained earnings account. That line. And this is what we have actually maintained. Okay. Define variants for open posting periods. Open posting periods. This is from global settings, ledger, posting periods, and open and close posting periods from here. Okay. Assign variants. Which variants? Posting period is already assigned. It is assigned from here. Okay. Define field status variants. Okay. Field status variants fields. Define field status variants and we assign it from here. What are field status variants? Assign company code. Assign company code to field status variants from here. Define account group again. Now field status variants. SAP 9. Over here, we actually define how GL accounts will be designed with fields. Okay. For example, these are material consumption accounts. In material consumption, which fields have to be shown and which fields to be displayed or made hidden. For example, account assignments, like settlement period, this is hidden. Optional entries are cost center, material number, purchase order, sales order. They're all optional. Okay. So this is how this is our then assigned to GL account G03, for example, or G02. Where is this assigned? This is assigned in FS 00. That line. Okay. For example, this secondary cost, cafeteria charges. And we go to bank interest and we have G01. Control data or expenses. If we go for expenses, for the rent account, we have G02. Cost center is required. Okay. So if you go to G02 and if we check account assignment, cost center will be required. This is required entry. Okay. Easy. Okay. Define account group. Account group, financial accounting, ledger. We've already discussed how to make account groups, preparations. This is account group. Okay. Plan versions. Plan version is also available in controlling. Controlling. Organization. Maintain versions. Maintain versions. Version. This is 0 version for plan actual values. Okay. In plan, you have planned values, forecasted values in actual. These are actual journal entries that get reflected in this version. This is work in process. Result analysis. Result analysis is nothing but you actually analyze the reports. That's called result analysis. Variance, any difference between plan action will be considered into and reflected in variance. Zero, selected controlling area settings. Settings, select zero settings for each fiscal year. And over here, we have integrated planning, save. Okay, this is basically fresh. Finished. Okay, next is plan versions, maintain assessment. SPRO. Rolling. Cost center accounting. Master data planning. Actual, manual actual postings. Cost center. Cost centers, activity types. Uh, hold on. Hold on. September. 10. Assessment, maintain assessment. I'll click this and it will take me to that configuration part. The assessment is basically you are redistributing the cost from one cost center to another cost center using cost elements. Cost elements category 41 or 42. Where is this? Period end close. Okay, in period end, actual postings, cost center, actual postings, period end closings, maintain assessment. Okay. Change actual assessment cycle. Okay. What was the cycle I created for this? L9P1 execute. So this is the assessment cycle overview segments. Salary, rent, okay, posted amounts, variable portions, key figures, and then shares, assessment element, cost elements. Okay, all have been assigned over here. Allocation structure. This has been done. Okay. So this is how it is done. And next is define distribution. Same. Same as distribution as well. Define distribution. Okay. Define periodic repostings. Actual distribution, we've already done this. Activity allocation, periodic repostings. Periodic reposting, again, same cycle is made, segments are attached. Okay. All you have to do is just understand the difference between assessment distribution and periodic repostings. Yeah. Company code, how it is defined, pretty easy. Enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, and we define the company code from here. Okay. Plant, again, this is from logistics. Logistics, and from here we create the plant. Okay. Currency valuation profile. Okay. Where is it? Where is it? Financial accounting. Currency valuation is parallel valuation from here. Parallel accounting. Accounting principle. No. Parallel valuation. Multiple valuation. Basic things. Currency and valuation profile. Okay. Okay. Activate valuation areas for ledger. We activate from here. Activate valuation for material ledger. Assign currency types and material ledger types. Again, assign complete currency types and define material ledger types. Okay. Material ledger types to valuation area. Valuation area, which is your plant. Currency and valuation profile to controlling area. Controlling area. Controlling area. This one. Okay. And define segment. This segment is defined at profit center level. Okay. Profit center. Is also defined from here also enterprise structure, distribution, segment. Okay. That's it. This is what we have done so far. Quite a lot of stuff has been done, and also we have completed splitting structure that we did in the last class. Okay. Now we'll be heading towards cost component structure in the next class.